Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on your Opel or Vauxhall Mokka quickly and easily. So, first we need to remove the plastic cover. To do this, take it carefully and start to expand and pull it out. You can also try one side at a time first. But never pull too hard or abruptly, as it can break. Once you open the plastic cover, pull it to the left to release it from the clip and remove it completely. Next, we need to remove the wiper blade itself. Just locate the small tab or clip that holds the wiper blade in place. In this case, it looks like two small thorns. Lift the clip up, ideally using a screwdriver, but if you don't have one, you can carefully lift it with your hand. Once the clip is lifted, pull the wiper blade to the right to remove it. After the blade is released, carefully lay the remaining part onto the glass without damaging it. Now, take your new wiper blade. Just like the old one, you'll see a gap at the top, so simply slide it onto the wiper arm. Slide it in until it clicks into place. Once it clicks, make sure it's securely attached by giving it a gentle tug. After that, put the plastic cover back. Slide it into the gap on the wiper blade and position it correctly. Then press carefully until it is fully in place. Avoid sudden pressure or force to prevent damage. Finally, do a quick test to make sure the wiper works properly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.